Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a picture a circle in Google Slides step by step. If you want your presentation to look cleaner and more professional, turning a square or rectangular image into a perfect circle is a great way to do it. Don't worry if you're new to Google Slides. I'll guide you through each step and you'll be able to crop any picture into a circle in just a few clicks. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the Think of Mind channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest Google Slides tutorials. Now, let's get started.
First, insert your image into the slide and then click on the image to select it. When you select the picture in Google Slides, the toolbar options at the top become active, which allows you to edit, crop, or format the image as needed. Step 2. Look at the top toolbar and click the small arrow next to the crop image icon, which looks like two overlapping right angles. This option opens the mask image feature in Google Slides, which allows you to crop pictures into different shapes instead of the usual rectangular crop. Step 3. From the shape options that appear, navigate to Shapes and select the Oval tool. This option lets you change the picture's shape, and when the oval is adjusted so the width and height are equal, it automatically becomes a perfect circle. Step 4. After applying the circle shape, you can adjust the image by double-clicking on it to reposition the picture inside the circle. You can also drag the blue corner handles to resize the image, making sure the circle fits perfectly on your slide. Thank you for watching.